welcome to the online classes. In this video, for junior students, 7th and 8th class, I will teach English grammar. In English grammar, verb क्रिया, verb के purpose. What is verb? Verb क्या होती है? I'll tell you. Now the definition of verb. You will write the definition by listening my speech from this video. So the definition of verb will be: a verb is a word or a group of words that shows what someone or something does. Again, listen. A verb is a word or a group of words that show what someone or something does. What states someone or something is in it. A verb is a word used for denoting an action. For example, India won the cricket match. India ने cricket match जीता and the Anuj ate a lot of ice cream today. These are the example now types of verb. क्रियाओं के प्रकार. Verb form a very important part of a sentence as well as language. They function in various ways. So they can classify in many ways. देखिए वर्ब आपकी कुछ होती है ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब एंड सेकंड वर्ब इज कॉल्ड इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. ट्रांजिटिव सकर्मक क्रिया, सकर्मक, और ये अकर्मक होते हैं. इसमें ऑब्जेक्ट दिया जाता है, इसमें ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं दिया जाता. सो योर डेफिनेशन विल बी, ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब की डेफिनेशन होगी: द वर्ब व्हिच needs an object to complete its sense is called transitive verb. For example, he plays football in the field. And intransitive verb, the definition of intransitive verb. Intransitive verbs are those words which do not need an object to complete its sense. It's called intransitive verb. For example, the bird fly in the sky. चिड़िया आकाश में उड़ती हैं. So here there is no verb, no object. आपका थर्ड और टास्क पर होता है मेन वर्ब एंड ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब. मेन वर्ब main verbs are those words which are used with the helping verbs to help them. They are called main verb. And what is auxiliary verb? An auxiliary verb help the main verbs in giving its proper sense. Okay. And main verb, the main part of the verb is called main verb. It functions independently in a sentence. And four types verbs are here: action verb and linking verb. Action verb 6. Linking verb. So difference between action and linking verb. An action verb shows some action. एक action verb होती है वो कुछ कार्य को दिखाती है. For example, the bat plucked an insect inches above my head. Or can you run so quickly? These are the example of run and pluck are the action verb. Linking verb, some verb needs not an object. कुछ क्रिया होता है ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं. हाँ. But sometimes that will complete the sense, such as verb which are linking verb. As the room which the rose smells sweet. रोज में अच्छी महक आती है. आपके नेक्स्ट हो जाते हैं 7 और 8 फाइनाइट वर्ब. फाइनाइट वर्ब और 8 हो गया नॉन फाइनाइट. Now different between finite and non-finite. Some verbs change their form without changing number and persons of the subject. These types of verb are called finite verb. And non-finite verb, some verb names and change. कुछ क्रियाएं एक से रहती हैं, ये change in number and gender of the subject or tenses. They are called non-finite verb. For example, the passenger buys food to eat. The passenger buys food to eat. Now this is the example of non-finite. ये नॉन फाइनाइट हो गया. and by OT of the finite verb. I find Dear student, in this video I have told the definition of verb. You will write by listening my speech and also the types of verb. There are the types of verb: transitive, intransitive verb, main verb, key verb, action verb, linking verb, finite and non-finite verb. You will write these definitions by listening my speech. This is only a verb. That's all for this video.